Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to freeze your Dave debit card. If you don't have a Dave bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $15 gift reward. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the option that says Profile. On this screen, scroll down a little. Then you will see a section for Dave debit cards. Under Dave debit cards, you will see an option for Physical Card. Tap on Physical Card. Then here, you will see a section for Freeze Card. Tap on Freeze Card. A pop-up message will appear showing what will happen when you freeze your card. Then, tap on Freeze Card. Now, you will see a message that says that your physical card has been frozen. That's how you freeze your Dave debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.